Aras hires all of their brand ambassadors as independent contractors, not employees. So what does this mean for you? First of all, it means you are not required to work any of events. You are your own business. You pick which events you want to work based on location and offered event pay. The event pay is always noted next to the event on the portal. However, once you are assigned to an event that you applied for, we are going to expect you to fulfill that obligation. If something comes up and you can no longer work that event, it will be your responsibility to find another ambassador to take that shift. Once you find another ambassador, please contact Aras market managers to notify them of the shift change. If you are dealing with an emergency situation, please contact your Aras market manager as soon as possible. We are here to help you in any situation you might be dealing with. We'll just need to see some proof of your emergency, such as a picture of a car accident or a doctor's note, or God forbid, if there's a death in the family, we would need to see an obituary or something like that, just so we can prove to our client that we are dealing with an emergency situation and not unreliable ambassadors. If you do not show up for the event that you were assigned to, we will, first of all, no longer ask you to work any future events for Aras promotions. And secondly, you will be charged the event pay for that event. This is also noted in our independent contractor agreement. As an independent contractor, it means you are not eligible for things such as workers' comp or unemployment benefits. If you are about to file for unemployment from your full-time job, please contact Aras management before you file for unemployment. This is a very complicated issue, and we will walk you through it to make sure that your benefits are not being held up in any kind of litigation. So the most important thing that you are going to notice as an independent contractor, not an employee, is that taxes are not going to be taken out of your paycheck. At the end of the year, when you normally receive a W-2 from an employer, you will receive a form called a 1099 from Aras. If you make $600 or more in the calendar year, you will receive this 1099. If you do not make $600 or more in that calendar year, you will receive nothing. It will be up to you to claim that money. You will not have any kind of form coming from Aras stating your pay. Aras pays their contractors on the 5th of every month, which means your December events are actually paid on January 5th. Also, it is very important that you notify Aras if your address changes during the year, so we can update it in our accounting software and make sure you get your 1099 to your current address. Since you are not paying taxes directly out of your event pay, you will be responsible to pay taxes in on the amount listed on your 1099. However, the great thing is you can write off a lot of expenses. Your biggest thing is your mileage, so we highly encourage you to track all of your miles that you drive for any Aras gigs. The more you drive, the less taxes that you're going to pay. Also, this allows you to write off expenses of owning your own business, such as your cell phone, your internet bills, any attire or clothing you might need to purchase to execute these jobs. We highly recommend working with an accountant to make sure you are filing your 1099 properly and maximizing all of the write-offs that are eligible to you. We understand that this is a complicated subject for a lot of people, so never hesitate to reach out to Aras with any questions. We are here to answer your questions and support you. We really look forward to working with you, and we look forward to building a long relationship with you as one of our contractors.